Okay, I'm here now in our house in Baguio City, in Irisan. So we're gonna go out. We're going to... I'm here. See, the houses here. It's a lot. Before it's not only few. This one is empty before. Now it's a lot of houses. When we're here, this one is still a big stone. No houses. Now is see a lot of changes here in Baguio City, guys. Where I grown up. Oh my God. Look at the houses. The top of the mountain. See, it's built with the big stone. They build their houses on the top of the stone. See? Oh, where are we going? See, this one is already... Oh, we're gonna wait the car here. See, before this one is a big stone. There's no road. Now, a lot of houses. Before it's only stone. Wow, see? Now, stone and house. Wow, see, look at. Look at, I'm walking right now. No need to ride on the van. My brother is busy. We can go use the jeepney here. So we can not very heavy traffic. Very heavy traffic is hard. See, look at. See, look at the houses. See, mountainous. There's a lot of mountainous, big houses now. Oh, see? Wow, where are we going? Huh? Hey, where are we going? We're going to Burnham, right? Huh? Oh my God. She makes me walk, this girl.
You're in Baguio. You're gonna walk.
She said, I'm in Baguio, so I need to do walking. Oh my God, look at guys. Look at the view, guys. Oh my God, see, it's very mountainous, guys. Oh my God. See, oh, there, the houses. Oh my God. See. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at, guys, the houses here in Baguio City. There. We're near the highway. See, look at the houses. Oh my God. My niece wants me to walk. She wants me to do exercise here. See, I'm walking. Oh, this is the waiting area for the buses, for the jeepney. That's why she asked me to stay here. Oh my God. See, before there's no houses here. Now it's a lot. Oh my God, look at the houses here. Oh, here's our jeepney. Bye, guys.